basic features within the entire CP series that are accessible by either the buttons on the main control panel or through the included remote control. Now, there are so many different things that you can do with your new document camera, no matter which model that you may be using. And we want to make sure that you understand how to utilize all these cool features. So let's go ahead and get started with the features that we see on the main control panel. For example, zoom. Well, simply rotate the shuttle wheel left or right to adjust the zoom. What's great about the zoom feature in the CP series is you can really zoom in on an object, image, or document, so virtually the smallest detail can be seen. If you're using the CP135 or 155, you can zoom at a total of 16 times. This powerful zoom technology combines 2 times AVer zoom and 8 times digital zoom. Now, if you're using the CP355, you can zoom in at a total of, get this, 80 times. That's 5 times optical zoom, 2 times AVer zoom, and 8 times digital zoom. With any of these CP models, I don't think your students are going to miss any single detail. So now that you know all about the zoom technology, let's talk about autofocus. Simply press the autofocus button on either the remote control or the main control panel on the CP155 or 355 to automatically focus your image or object in a matter of seconds to its best possible clarity. If you're using the 135, you can still focus your image, no problem, but it's something a little different called manual focus. Simply adjust the camera lens by turning it right or left until the image is in maximum focus. Once you're focused and zoomed in, you can use the arrows on the shuttle wheel to pan up, down, left, and right. And to capture images directly to your CP model, press the Capture Delete button. And to view your saved images, press the playback button to go back to playback mode. Besides capturing one image at a time, you can also capture time-lapsed images by selecting the continuous mode. To do so, go to the menu, then select Capture, and then Continuous. After you've selected Continuous, now select Desired Time Interval. The interval can be set from 5 to 600 seconds. So now that you're in the continuous mode, your document camera will automatically capture images based on your desired intervals. You can also freeze your image by simply pressing the freeze button. This is a great feature because I'm sure that sometimes you may want to examine an object without necessarily holding it in place the entire time. For example, you can now display the pages of a book without actually having to hold the book under the document camera. And if you need more light, simply turn on the built-in LED light for additional lighting by using the switch on the top of the camera head. And finally, if you're using the CP355, let's not forget about that patented laser positioning guides that help guide you to the center viewing area.